This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you where to redeem codes for the PlayStation 4. So right here, if we just go over the PlayStation Store, we can select it. And then we can go on the left here and just go all the way down under the store, and there's an option to redeem your codes right here. Just select this and then type in your 12-digit voucher code for PlayStation Network right here. And you should be able to go to continue and add it to your account now. Now, when you add it to your account, depending on what it was, you might have some like money on your account or something. We can go up to cart, and we can see our current wallet balance right here, so we know how much money we added to our account. So current wallet right here, if we added like $15, should show up 15 right there. And we can use that now to purchase games through the store. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.